Hello friends, in this video I am telling you about the Amphan cyclone which has turned into a super cyclone along the eastern coast of Odisha and West Bengal. Every year such cyclones originate in the Bay of Bengal and cause huge devastation and destruction along the eastern coast of India. India is still suffering from the effects of COVID-19 and such a new problem has entered into the eastern coast of India and it has put the states of West Bengal, Odisha and northern Andhra Pradesh into great dangers. According to the meteorological department, this cyclone has turned into a super cyclone and it can hit the eastern coast of Odisha and West Bengal in the next few hours or one day. The speed of the wind in this cyclone is around 200 km per hour, which can cause a lot of destruction along the coast of Odisha, West Bengal and northern Andhra Pradesh. Government of India and state government are already prepared to combat this cyclone. National Disaster Response Force is doing its job. The people in the area have been given high alert so that the effect of this cyclone can be diminished. The fishermen in these states are advised not to go into sea for the next few days. The cyclone can cause a lot of rain and high speed winds which are dangerous for the people and livestock living along the east coast of Odisha, West Bengal and northern Andhra Pradesh. So it will be difficult time for the people living along these states like Odisha, Andhra Pradesh and West Bengal. So there is a need to combat this cyclone and so that the effect of this cyclone can be diminished. People should aware, the fishermen should be more aware and high alert should has already been done by the governments, state governments and government of India. So let's see what happens, but it's a cause of huge concern for the country. Thank you very much.